Howdy there, folks. Today we're going to take a look at these really cool, these are the Rayneo XR S3 glasses. Very slim profile, very good looking, very comfortable. They plug in right here. You have to plug that in to run the device. You also got an app that controls different aspects of the device itself. What it's got is a projector in here, projects on the lens, and you can see on the upper half, or really it's immersive, like a 100-inch screen. So you can work on your PC, you can watch Amazon Prime videos, you name it. It's got speakers up here and down here. It's got a control button right here. It's got your volume button right here, and then your screen brightness button right here. But actually very comfortable to wear, very slim. I mean, they really just feel and act like sunglasses with a screen built into them. You can kind of see, which is a good thing around the edges or below if you're trying to talk to somebody or they walk by and want to talk to you. But you have this screen in front of you as well. And yes, you can see a little bit through the top and bottom, which is, like I said, good. But once behind that screen, you have to have like a really bright light behind it for it to come through the screen. But excellent visual quality, decent audio. The only thing I might be like, could have a little bit better audio. However, I believe if you connect your device to a Bluetooth earbuds, you can actually listen to it, which solves that issue. And it's not bad. But these are great for, long travels. I feel like these would be excellent. Really impressed by these.